to insert a Pine script to Tradingview. In this video, I'll show you how to insert and use a custom script in just a few simple steps. First, open Tradingview and go to the chart where you want to apply the script. At the bottom of the screen, click on the Pine Editor tab. This will open a coding panel where you can write or paste your Pine script. If you already have a script, simply copy and paste it into the editor. Once your script is in place, click the Add to Chart button. If there are no errors, the script will be applied to your chart instantly. If you want to use a script from the Tradingview community, go to the Indicators and Strategies menu and search for public Pine scripts. Click on any script you like, and it will automatically be added to your chart. You can also modify scripts by opening them in the Pine editor. Once you're satisfied, you can save your script by clicking the Save button and even publish it for others to use. And that's it. If this guide helped, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more trading tips. Thank you.